and got inherited or inherited. So when he had originally bought, there is no problem at all. What could be the basis? Can you tell what is the basis?
The price at which he bought the land.
Correct. So it is not land alone, anything for that matter, any asset for that matter. So whatever he had paid, whatever he paid for the asset, or in fact, you can say paid or payable. So when it is gift, what is the basis then? Let me tell you that their system will be a little more logical and not much of a difficult moments that we have. There is no prerequisite knowledge that is required. You can easily participate. Even if today's class were to be the very first class, people can participate. Come on, can you just tell what could be the basis for the taxpayer for that particular asset? Can you guess? Now I will give you the choice. Firstly, I will tell the general rule and then we will take up exceptions in each case. So there are two things that you have. I have already conveyed to you through section 47 and 49 of Indian Income Tax Act that certain transfers are not transfers at all. But when those assets I got through that section 47, when I subsequently effect a sale, for me, ascertaining the cost is going to be a challenge. I told you section 49 is telling that the previous owner's cost will automatically become the cost for me. That is what I told you. Same thing in this case also. But here, the question is that we do have a differentiation got as a gift and inherited. They do not take into consideration these two alike. These two things are treated very differently. Now I will give you the choice. Tell me as whether it would be cost of the previous owner or fair market value. So this choice is going to be same for got as a gift and inherited. Are you understanding what I'm telling? So I will put it this way. Got as a gift means cost of the previous owner or fair market value. Inherited would mean similarly cost of the previous owner or fair market value. So what is there for a gift as a basis will not be the basis for inherited. If I convey the answer for one as chosen for one, that is chosen one of these two, supposing if this is A and this is B. If I have chosen for gift A, then for inherited A will not be the answer. It is going to be B will be the answer. So therefore, when I'm answering not only for one, I'm answering for both. Can you tell as
For gifted is market value, inherited is his cost to the previous owner.
who is that Balaji?
Yeah.
Why? Any
Because
logic?
because you said logical. I thought that if it is inheritance, we don't know the cost. It was brought by the previous owner. So I thought cost of the previous owner will be the right uh, way of determining.
Okay. Say, though your point is very logical, when you say as when you got as a gift, how would you know the cost of the previous owner? Say, I will give you a classical case. Please understand. I do not know how many of you would know that. Let me complete. Let me complete. Closely follow. See, we used to take class in Bangalore during weekends. I'm talking about some 25 years back scenario, or somewhere in that scenario, 20 or 25, I'm not very sure. So that point of time, I had one shop I used to visit, Kaveri Emporium. This Kaveri Emporium used to have a lot of gift items. See, where I need to meet a lot of government officials or VIPs. When I visit, see, naturally, we normally give some presentation. You all know that when we meet some official, when we make some presentation to them, some gift when we give. So, first and foremost thing, at least they will look at you and speak. So, when I just bought an item like that, that is a pen. It is made of, there is a outer cover, shell and all that made up of sandal wood. The refill thing and all that, that cartridge is going to be ordinary cartridge only. But thing is that when you start using it, automatically it will smell nice and all that. When I gave this gift to one of the officials, government official, that person opened it in front of me and found that this sandal wood, and he said, "Murali, would you not mind giving me the bill to me?" I was asking, as a gift when we are providing, no. How would I just give the cost, price, and all that? No. Say, we'll always hesitate to do that. He said, unless you give this, I will not accept, is what he said. Then I asked, what is the reason? So, it is an offense to hold any ornamental item made up of sandalwood. And if you say that you have bought it, you should produce the bill. Supposing the person who took this as a gift, when some other government official is intercepting his car, or whenever he is moving out, when they check up, they will definitely be asking, so please produce the bill. If he says that he had taken it from your donor, so naturally he has got to ask all these details. Are you understanding what I'm telling? So do not get the impression that when somebody is gifting, I may not know the cost and all that. So because when you say that there is no cost, cost will be taken up as nil. So this everybody is knowing. So therefore, please do not have the feel. See, Balaji, when you have said I understood, because only when somebody was just asking me what is the cost, and when I produce the bill, then I was just asking, sir, in one bill, I bought 40 items. One of those 40 items, I've given it to you. Then he said, no problem, you give it to me, I will hold it. So he was asking whether I have any problem in sharing that particular bill. Then I said, if some other government official is asking, then I will have a problem. So then I took some Xerox copy and kept it. And that point of time, I decided not to give gift, which is made of sandalwood. Are you understanding? So, Balaji, you do not have that mindset that you cannot get the cost of the previous owner whenever you get an item. Supposing Balaji is giving a gift to me, worth some 1 lakh of rupees. So alongside of the gift, I will definitely be asking a question, please give me the cost. Because when this item, when I transfer it to somebody, definitely capital gains will result. And I need to tell the government official, one moment. Amma. So do not have that feeling that you will not be getting all that information. Now you tell me. Now in this background, once again, I am asking the question. Got as a gift, inherited. Now tell me as what is the appropriate thing. Come on, come on. Are you clear? Kirtana, Sriraman.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. See, if it's a gift, then maybe the cost is zero. And inherited means the cost with the
No, no.
previous one.
What IRS is telling, Whenever you are not in a position to find out what is the cost, it will be taken a personal.